We're still on the bus. I think we might have missed that stop. I've got no idea where we are. Oh, where are we going? Might be Punta Mita.
I don't know.
Might be Bucerías. We don't know. We'll find out soon. Well, maybe we won't find out soon. It's going to be a long way to go. Okay, looks like we're coming into another village. I think we've actually completely and utterly missed our stop. And we're heading to Punta Mita maybe. Oh yeah, Punta Mita. Okay, it's all looking good. On an adventure. I don't know, we just jumped off the bus. I think we gave, I think we're at Punta Mita. Been a little bit of an adventure so far. People are still on the bus, maybe they're going somewhere else, we don't know. We'll just come back to this spot and jump on a bus that says Puerto Vallarta, and then hopefully we'll get home. Yeah, it looks like a nice place to explore, and that's what we're here for, an adventure. People are super friendly and helpful, so I'm not worried. Well, I finally found out where we are. We actually made it to Punta Mita. Smile. Yeah, it seems a nice town. It's nice and quiet here. Just what we're looking for. And an adventure to go with it. Let's have a little look round. And this is December, about the 2nd of December, I think. And we rode the bus for maybe an hour from Puerto Vallarta. Planned to get off at Bucerías, but that didn't happen. Went right past it, I think. So maybe we're stopping on the way back. A little doggy there having a leak. Have some privacy. And the seas ahead. It's got a nice feel about it as well. Very calm and relaxing so far. Nayarit was kind of busy and crazy. I didn't like it there. So we just have a walk around, find a bar, have a cup of coffee maybe. Oh, it's starting to get a bit noisier. Oh, I'll just step off the road. So looks like we're down near the seafront. We've got the typical market there, all the souvenirs. And what we've got through here, let's have a look. Oh, there's the beach. Yeah, let's have a look down at the beach. Ah, look at this. Oh, very quiet. Got the old pelicans there. No one on the beach.
No one.
Yeah, apart from us.
Beach.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nobody was there, though.
Yeah.
Blanca. Too warm for a beach. It's too cool.
Yeah.
There's a robusta paradise.
Oh yeah. Pepperoni pizza and beer, about $30. Seems quite pricey. Looks nice in there though. Sounds nice, got some sort of waterfall. No, gracias. Yeah. It's very quiet. Catch of the day. Wow, beautiful views there. Look through here. There we go. Got some prices up here. Quesadilla, 3 for $90. Ham sandwich. We could even do it that day. We're not leaving. Oh, let's do that. Yeah. Hola. Oh. How are you?
Good, good.
Good, thanks.
Yeah, we're gonna have those, the shrimp taco.
Shrimp taco?
3? We get 3?
3 come and 3 for order.
Yeah, then this one, 3 of this one.
3 beef and what?
Okay, so we're going to have some tacos on the beach. It's very nice here. And a beer. Seem to be drinking a lot of beer lately. Got my shrimp tacos. Tina's got her beef tacos with guacamole and a soda, and I've got my Tecate beer. There's a medium sauce there, and it's lovely there. Look at that. So we're going to enjoy this now. Got hot sauce. Mmm.
Yeah. So good.
Yeah, we just had a lovely lunch and we're going to take a stroll around town. It was a nice lunch on the seafront there. That cost us just under $40, I think, for a beer, a soda and some tacos. Location was really nice and peaceful. Now we're going to have a walk around town, see what's here. Ah, coffee and 2 cups. Yeah, it's very, very nice here. Otherwise you're going to be right, Mum, let's turn it that way a little bit. Yeah, that's moving.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Bit of a river here to cross this rickety old bridge. Back down on the beach. Hola.
Hola. ¿Una sombrilla?
No, gracias. Just walking. Looks like the tide's out. Oh, lovely long sandy beach, look at that. Very safe for kids, I guess, when the tide comes in. Yeah, it's beautiful here. The old pelicans. And definitely not crowded like PV and covered in rocks. Surf lessons. Yeah. Okay. Come on in.
How many steps on it?
Yeah. You earned your dinner, sweetie.
That was 30 steps.
Yeah. Well, we come up the steps because we see this beautiful hotel here. I don't know whether we can find the price now or maybe go online later and check it out.
Yes.
See the string? Ring the bell.
Oh, yeah.
Ringing the bell. I don't know if there's a door locked.
I don't know.
Let's have a look. Maybe it's open. No, it's not open. Okay. Yeah, look at this place. I don't know, is that a hotel? I'm not too sure. It's a private house. Yeah, we're just one block off of the beach. We just took us some steps up, so the buildings on the right here, they have a chef. Oh, it's a bar. It's a cafe. Oh, nice. Very interesting looking place. Wow. Yeah, so all these buildings on the right here, they're all facing that lovely beach we just walked up. And I would like to have carried on the beach, but we're looking for a hotel now for later on in the week. We've got another 2 nights in PV, and we want to treat ourselves to somewhere nice, peaceful and quiet. This looks perfect. There's a pretty horse. No, I'm not going to get too near. Oops. Yeah.
Very cute.
Yeah. So we're in a very old part of town at the moment. Just wandering around. There's some little restaurants, little cafes, local ones by the looks of it. Haven't found a decent hotel. Well, we did find one, but no one answered, so we'll call them on the internet tonight, see what they charge. Only found one that I'd really be happy to stay at. Very quiet here, very nice atmosphere. I'm not into the old boom boom music and bars and drinking at the moment. Well, I do a little bit of drinking, but nothing crazy. Well, we're back in Puerto Vallarta. We had a heck of a bus ride. We've been stuck in traffic jam for about, I don't know, half hour, and the whole bus ride was maybe an hour or so. But we're back in Puerto Vallarta. We're just on the beach having to walk up to our hotel now. It's not that far away. So it's been an interesting day. And look at this lovely beach we're on now.